Good morning, friends. It's time for calendar. I'm excited to do calendar with you today. I'm going to move my face over here, I think. There we go. All right, let's do our rule song. Ready? Eyes on teacher, eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands, and a calm body. And a calm body. Nice job, friends. Let's get right into calendar. We're going to do the days of the week. Ready? Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right. Yesterday was Monday. And we make one jump. Today is Tuesday. You tell me, what day is it today? Right, Tuesday. Awesome job. Today is Tuesday. Now, I'm going to click on this box.
Great job.
And it says today is Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. All right, so we're going to do all of the months of the year. There are 12 months in the year. And when we talk about the months, we always start with what month? January, that's right. Ready? Let's do it. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. So remember, the month is what? April. That's right. And I see some umbrellas over here and over here. Because sometimes in April, there's lots of rain. There's lots of rain in April, so the umbrellas keep us dry. So can you tell me what the month is? Nice job. And April starts with what letter? April starts with A. Very good. Nice job. So the days of the week are all done. The months of the year are all done. And now let's do some counting, okay? Let's do counting on our calendar. All right, ready? We always start with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What comes next? 7. 7 looks like this. And if we look at our 10 frame, right? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need one more dot. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look what I have here. I made some dots. 3, that's a number and a dot. 1, 2, 3 dots. How many dots do you see here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little backwards there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to write the number 4 above my 4 dots. All right. 3 black dots plus 4 red dots equals 7 dots all together, right? Looks like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job. Can you tell me again, what number is this? Great work. It's the 7th. All right. So I added one more to the 10 frame. We're good to go. All right. So let's do Weather Watcher, okay? Let's do Weather Watcher, Weather Watcher. What do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? All right, in Northbridge today, I can see the window. It's right past my computer screen. In Northbridge today, the weather is sunny. Is it sunny in Milford? You tell me. Is it sunny in Milford? Yes or no? I think it's sunny in Milford too. Maybe it'll be nice enough to go outside. I think so. All right. So we're going to say the whole date for calendar. Are you ready? All right. Today is, let's say it up here, Tuesday. What's the month? April. What was the number? 7th, 2020. Good. And the weather is sunny. Nice job, you guys. So calendar is all done, and I'm going to do one more lesson today that I will post this afternoon. See you this afternoon. Bye, friends.